Do you know how words combine and make sentence? What are the parts of sentence? For the answers of these questions, see this video until the end. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Word. A meaningful group of letters is called word. For example, girl table. Sentence. Different words combine and form a sentence which make complete sense. For example, Muslims are kind. Earth is our home. Parts of sentence. Mostly sentence consists of three parts. First is subject. Second is object. Third is verb. Example: I eat an apple. In this sentence, I is subject, eat is verb, and apple is object. Sometimes sentence is divided into two parts. One is subject and other is predicate. For example, Earth is our home. In this sentence, earth is subject and is our home is predicate. Predicate. Predicate consists of verb and object. Verb is also have another type which is called helping verb. Can you tell what is predicate and what is subject in this sentence? Trees are green. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.